Hello everybody, my name is Dan Izat, and today I'm going to teach you how to cure a sore throat slash anytime your throat is feeling a little bit stuffed up or sore. And the way I'm going to do this is by showing you how to make the perfect tea recipe that's going to help your throat feel better. In front of me are all the items you're going to need: a spoon, a cup for your tea, a lemon slice, any kind of honey works. You're gonna need this specific tea right here, the organic throat coat from Traditional Medicinals. Alright, so step one is you wanna go ahead and boil some water. You can do it on the stove, but I have one of these right here. What you're gonna wanna do is first put your tea bag in the cup, and then put some honey in there. Really depending on how sore your throat is, a lot. It hurts pretty bad. Or if you're just doing it for fun, I like to put a medium amount in there. And now you want to put your boiling water in your teacup. And you want to make sure to dab your tea bag so it gets wet evenly, so it doesn't float to the top. What you want to do is take your lemon slice, and you're going to want to first squeeze it in there, and then you're just going to want to drop it in and let it sit in there. And you're going to want to let your tea sit for 3 minutes. Once you've waited 3 minutes, all you want to do now is stir up your tea a little bit, and do so every couple minutes whenever you see fit. And you're ready to start drinking it whenever the temperature is to your liking. Cheers.